Hi, it's Loco.
And I'm Max. Welcome back to Learn with Loco. Loco, tell me the truth. Do you ever get confused by all those if sentences in English?
Oh, you mean the conditionals. Honestly, sometimes they feel like a giant math puzzle for your brain.
Well, we're going to solve that puzzle today. We are covering all four conditionals in just a few minutes.
That sounds like a big challenge, Max. But I'm ready. Let's break it down for our viewers.
Let's start with the zero conditional. It's for facts, right? Like when things are always true.
Exactly. We use if plus present simple, and the result is also present simple.
Give me an example. Something that never changes.
If you don't water your plants, they die. That's a sad fact, but it's 100% true.
That makes sense. Now, what about the first conditional? That's for the future, isn't it?
Right. We use it for real possibilities. If the condition happens, the result is likely to happen.
Okay, how about this? If it rains tomorrow, I will stay inside and watch movies.
Perfect. See the structure? If plus present simple, then will plus the verb. It's a very real plan.
Okay, we've handled the real world. What happens when we want to dream?
That is where the second conditional comes in. It's for imaginary or unlikely situations.
Like if I had $1 million, I would buy a private island?
Exactly. Even though you don't have the money right now, you're imagining it.
I noticed something there. You said if I had. That's past simple, right?
Yes, that's the trick. Even though we are talking about the present or future, we use past simple in the if clause.
So, if I were you, I would study these rules every single day.
Ooh, nice one. And you even used if I were, which is the grammatically correct way to say it.
Now for the one that scares most students. The third conditional.
Don't be scared. It's just for looking back at the past and regretting things.
Oh, like the what-if scenarios that already happened and cannot be changed?
Exactly. The structure is if plus past perfect, and then would have plus past participle.
Give me an example. Loco. Something a bit dramatic.
If I had studied harder last week, I would have passed the exam.
So, the reality is that you didn't study and you didn't pass.
Sadly, yes. That's why it's the regret conditional.
Let's summarize for everyone watching. Zero is for facts. First is for real possibilities.
Second is for imaginary dreams. And third is for past regrets.
Wait, what if someone mixes them up? Like, if I would have studied, I pass.
Oh, that's a big mistake. Remember, would and if don't usually sit together in the same part of the sentence.
That's a great pro tip. Keep the would in the result part, not in the if part.
Practice these 4 patterns, and you'll sound like a native speaker in no time.
Thanks for helping me explain this. Loco. See you all in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing those conditionals. Hope that helped. Hit subscribe for more.
See you next time.